Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another episode where I'm about to share an exciting opportunity just for you. It's called the Adobe India Hackathon 2025, and it is up and running on Unstopped. It's one of the top hackathons out there by one of the top brands. And I'm about to tell you all the details, the eligibility criteria, how you can be one of the winners of this challenge, and what you can do to actually prepare well for it. So let's get into it quickly. Like you can see on my screen, this is the Adobe India Hackathon 2025. It is live on Unstop. The link is given below in the description, so don't forget to go and check it out and quickly register. So let me explain to you all the details that it has, right? So there are different rounds that Adobe has put together. The first round is on 11th of July. It's an online MCQ assessment plus a coding round. In this round, it is absolutely mandatory for all team members to attempt a 1 hour assessment that has like 15 multiple choice questions and one coding question which is focused on DSA. Okay, so this is the first round, after which you have a live launch session. Please note this session is only for the ones who are shortlisted in the first round. So in this session there's an interactive session that has between the shortlisted teams, where we'll be introduced to the problem statement by industry leaders, and this will also help you understand the detailed briefing on the case, what is expected from your submissions, key guidelines, and much more. Remember, you're allowed to ask questions during these sessions, so make sure to be super attentive and make a list of whatever you want to clarify at that moment. After this, you have the build and connect round. In this, all the shortlisted teams will get access to the problem statements once the round goes live on 14th of July. Now, note this, that the document will always outline the challenge, the steps that you need to follow, the evaluation process. As a part of this round, what you're actually expected to do is build a core system that powers intelligent document understanding and semantic linking aligned with the problem brief. So this is what is expected in this round. You have to build and you have to connect. Once you've completed this, the team leaders can submit their solution as per the instructions given in the problem statement and the brief. Now, the solution can be a private GitHub repository link and any other assets for documentation that you want them to evaluate. Okay. Whatever FAQs you have, you can check them out here, and you can also make sure to ask them during the live launch session. The third round is experience and insight prototype. What happens in this is that the shortlisted teams will then build a functional prototype of their document intelligence engine. Building on the previous round, the teams will have to develop a web-based interface that allows users to explore documents, discover related content, and generate contextual insights. So now this round is where you actually build on the idea that you had. So make sure that if you get shortlisted, you do this extremely well, because if you do that, you have a chance to go into the grand finale where the top qualifying teams will get the opportunity to present their solutions to the Adobe's leadership at the company headquarters at Noida. And don't worry about it, if you actually reach the grand finale, all the travel and accommodation will be taken care of by the team, and so that you have a super seamless experience while you showcase your ideas on a national stage. Let me explain to you what this challenge is actually about. So, in the Connecting the Dots challenge, your mission is to reimagine the humble PDF as an intelligent, interactive experience, one that actually understands structure, surface insights, and speaks back to you like a trained research companion. Imagine what an amazing opportunity this is to create something as interactive and as unique as this idea is. But before you jump into execution, don't forget to check out the eligibility criteria. This is open to students pursuing a full time BTech or BE, MTech or ME, or dual degree program from engineering colleges in India, and who will graduate in 2027, 2026, 2028, or 2029. So, participants must register in teams of 2 or 3 members. If you're finding it difficult to find a team member, drop someone from the pool of registrations on Unstop a message, and they might be able to partner with you. Cross college teams are not allowed, cross year teams are allowed, cross specialization teams are also allowed. Now, I've walked you through all the different rounds that there are. Let me tell you the rewards and prizes. The first prize is basically where the winning team will get a MacBook Air. The second prize, each member of the winning team will receive an iPad Air. Top 50 participants will also get PPIs and a chance to intern with Adobe with a stipend of 1 lakh per month. National finalists get exclusive goodies from Adobe and Adobe Acrobat Pro licenses, and 50 shortlisted teams to get certificates. Also, make a note of this that only the ones graduating in 2027 are eligible for the PPIs. So, this is it, but the big thing that we have just for you, if you are someone who's willing to take on this challenge and actually make the most out of this, then we have something that can help you ace the first round seamlessly. Now, if I take you through the practice section, if you scroll down, you will find something called the Prep for Placement Daily Quiz. If you click on it and you scroll again, you will find something called the Engineering Series. If you go on that and if you prep every day, then there are a bunch of questions that come up as daily quizzes, which generally cover very similar topics like the ones which will be asked in the first round of the Adobe India Hackathon. If you practice this every day, I'm sure you will reach a level where you'll be better prepared to ace the first round. And along with this, remember there's also a coding problem that the first round of the Adobe India Hackathon will have. For that, you can again go on the practice section. There's something called Code Conquest. There are a bunch of coding problems available there for absolutely free of cost. All you need to do is take out time in a day to solve at least 1 or 2 of them so that you get a hang of it and you're better prepared to ace the final round. These are the tips to clear the first round for the Adobe India Hackathon. Don't worry, we'll be sharing many more resources across the month for you to be able to practice and get your skills to become better by the time this round goes live. For now, don't forget to quickly register below through the link given and share this with your friends in college, because it's always good to motivate and be there for each other while participating for such challenges. And you also need a member of 2 or 3 people to go and participate in this challenge. So all the best, and stay tuned for many such resources coming up here on this channel, and like, share and subscribe.